This is a tutorial for saw her standing there as a piano accompanist. So we're going to play our chord in the right hand, the root note in the left hand as a bass note, and you sing on top of that. So it starts with a C7 chord in the right hand, B flat, C, E, and G. So it's nicely just below the melody there. She was just 17, and you know that's F7. I suggest doing it like that. A, C, E flat, and you got or F on the top there. You know what I mean. There's your C7 again. And the way she looked was way beyond compare. There's your G7. Works nicely with the root position there. So how, C7 again, how could I dance with another? There's your F. A, C, and F. I suggest doing it like that. When you go to F minor, just move your thumb down to A flat. When I saw her standing there. That's the verse. And the bridge is like this. Well, my heart went boom. So that's mostly this chord, F7 there. A, C, E flat, F. When I crossed that room and I held her hand in mine. That's a G7. Then F7. Well, we danced. Pretty much that's it. So you're down here, you're playing a C7 chord. It's a C there. F7. You got your F as the bass note. Whatever the bass bottom note or the root note of the chord is, that's what you're going to play down low. So here's what it sounds like. She was just 17, you know what I mean, and the way she looked was way beyond compare. So how could I dance with another when I saw her standing there? I kind of went into it the way I'd normally play it. Really, when you're adding rhythm, you're just playing the chord, but you're throwing in some other rhythms with the chord there. If you're more on the beginning side of things, it still works if you do something simpler. Well, she was just 17, and you know what I mean, and the way she looked was way beyond compare. So how could I dance with another when I saw her standing there? So that works too. I'll do it one more time for you and add the bridge in this time. Well, she was just 17, and you know what I mean, and the way she looked was way beyond compare. So how could I dance with another when I saw her standing there? Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room and I held her hand in mine. That's G7. Well, we danced through the night, we held each other tight, and before too long I fell in love with her. So I'll never dance with another